A cobot, short for collaborative robot, is designed to work safely alongside humans. Traditional industrial robots are locked behind safety cages, require extensive programming, and can pose serious hazards if anything goes wrong. Cobots, by contrast, integrate force and proximity sensors that instantly stop motion the moment they sense an unexpected contact. That means they can share a workspace with people, no bulky barriers needed. They're agile, lightweight, and built for repeatable, precise tasks in everything from packaging and assembly to machine tending and now welding. Cobots use servo motors, built-in encoders, and advanced control software. If you want to learn more about that, pause to check out more components here. When it comes to programming the cobot, most cobots employ drag-and-teach programming. You simply guide the arm through the desired motion and it records each joint angle and speed. However, some cobots, like the SwitchWeld, are a bit different. With the SwitchWeld, users set waypoints at where the cobot needs to go and the way it needs to face, and it moves in straight lines between those points. This allows users to optimize programs much easier. Then, from there, for most cobots, you hit play, and the cobot repeats the exact motion with sub-millimeter accuracy. No coding, no complex interfaces, just intuitive, hands-on teaching. Cobots normalize automation. They're easy enough to set up in small batch shops, affordable for moderate budgets, and flexible enough to redeploy on new tasks. You get faster ROI, reduced fatigue, improved quality, and you keep your skilled people doing what they do best. Our cobot arm is built by Robotics, one of the world's largest cobot brands. Designed right here in Tennessee, you'll even spot their signature volunteer orange. Abo's vertical integration means every arm undergoes over 300 quality tests for precision and reliability. They back it up with local support, spare parts, and hands-on training. So whether you're onboarding your first cobot or scaling up to 100, help is always within reach. Welding is one of the most demanding industrial tasks. Every seam must be consistent, every bead precise. Traditional robots, while accurate, can be daunting and dangerous, so a solution between robotics and human welders was created. Enter Cobots. With fine-tuning controls, like the SwitchWeld joystick, you guide the arm within a few thousandths of an inch, exactly where the wire needs to be. The cobot then repeats the motion, weld after weld. This means consistent quality, less rework, and welders freed up for inspection, fit-up, or more complex parts, keeping your skilled workforce focused on higher value work. So why choose SwitchWeld? It's more than a cobot arm. It's an all-in-one welding station, engineered for small to mid-sized shops. SwitchWeld has intuitive controls, with drag and teach and joystick fine-tuning. A plug-and-play setup installed fully by the SwitchWeld team. No robot integrator needed. Rapid ROI. Quality welds from day one, with minimal training time. Universal compatibility. It works with MIG and even plasma cutting systems. And a compact footprint, so it fits on benches or small cells. And because we sourced the Abo arm, you get world-class precision plus local SwitchWeld enhancements, like our welded head design and integrated safety shields. Our customers have reported up to 6 times efficiency and huge gains in consistency, but even the best tech needs backing. That's why SwitchWeld offers on-site training, technical support, and spare parts ready. Cobots are the future of manufacturing, and with Abo's rigorously tested arms and decade of experience paired with SwitchWeld's welding expertise, you get precision welding reimagined. Ready to see what a cobot can do in your shop? Visit us at switchweld.com or drop a comment below. Thanks for watching!